The 5 colors make a man blind. The 5 tones make a man deaf. Because if you can only see 5 colors, you're blind. And if you can only hear 5 tones in music, you're deaf. The world of color is infinite, as is the world of sound. And it is only through stopping, fixing conceptions on the world of color and sound that you really begin to hear it and see it.
Jeans, white shirt, walk into the room, you know you made my eyes burn. I was like, Jamstein, for sure. You're so fresh to death and sick as inside. You were sort of punk rock, I grew up on hip-hop, but you fit me better than my favorite sweater. And I know that love is mean and love hurts, but I still remember the day we met in December, oh baby. I will love you till the end of time. I will wait till you need. Promise you remember that you're mine. Baby, can't you see through the tears? Love you more, and that's what just before I say you remember, say you remember. I will love you till the end of time. You wear that every night, and baby, that's alright. I told you that no matter what you did, I'd be by your side. Cause I'm a ride or die, whether you fell or fly, or shoot, at least you tried. But when you walk out the door, a piece of me died. I told you I wanted more, it's not what I had in mind. Just want it like before, we were dancing all night. Then it took you away, so you out of my life. We just need to remember. I will love you till the end of time. I will wait till you need. Promise you remember that you're mine. Baby, can't you see through the tears? Love you more, and that's what you before I say